Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking at an interesting announcement from the Worldwide Birds YouTube channel.
That's right. Petrus Van Tonder, who runs the channel, has just launched memberships.
Exactly. So our goal here is to kind of unpack what these memberships involve, what the perks are, and what it really means if you follow the channel.
It looks like a direct way for the creator to, connect more with supporters and offer something extra.
Okay, so the big news is Worldwide Birds now qualifies for and is offering channel memberships, which is great for them.
Yeah, absolutely. And Petrus mentions it's a way to give exclusive content, but also to say thanks to the audience that helped them get here.
Makes sense. It often feels like a natural next step for channels, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Building a community.
Definitely. It helps create a more maybe sustainable path forward,
Yeah.
supported directly by the viewers who really value the content.
So let's get into the details. There are 3 levels, 3 tiers. What's level 1 about?
Okay, level 1. This one seems focused on community engagement mostly.
Like loyalty badges, priority replies and comments, that kind of thing.
Exactly that. Plus, early access to videos, some exclusive photos and updates, even some members-only video content.
Oh, and a free PDF ebook too, worth $24. That sounds pretty decent for an entry point.
Yeah, that's solid value right off the bat.
Yeah.
The badges and priority replies are pretty standard ways to, make members feel special. And the ebook adds something tangible.
Okay, moving up. Level 2. What gets added there?
So level 2 includes everything from level 1, naturally, but then you get members-only polls, members-only shorts, shout-outs too.
Shout-out's interesting. And more ebooks.
Yep, they double it. 2 free ebooks, so that's $48 in value. But the big additions here, I think, are the Premiere magazine.
Yes, the magazine. In PDF format.
Right, and also an ad placement in their regular free magazine.
An ad. So members could potentially promote something.
Seems like it. That's quite a unique perk for a YouTube membership at this level, potentially useful for some viewers.
And this Premiere magazine, that sounds like a key feature.
It does. It suggests they're expanding, beyond just video into maybe more curated written content, perhaps.
Right. Then there's level 3, the top tier. What's the deal there?
All 3 builds again. More direct interaction, it sounds like. Maybe some social media stuff, more exclusive videos.
And the ebooks.
3 free ebooks now, so that's $72 worth. You still get the Premiere magazine PDF, of course.
But the standout seems to be a personalized video.
Yeah, this is quite something. A personalized deep dive video about a member's own bird-related organization or project.
Wow, okay. That's a very specific and high-value offer.
It really is. It shows a deep commitment to top supporters and also highlights other work happening in the birding community, which is clever.
Let's circle back to that Premiere magazine for levels 2 and 3. It's a PDF. Anything else we need to know?
Well, they mentioned they prefer a Gmail address for delivery, probably to avoid spam filters or, delivery issues.
Makes sense. Digital delivery can be tricky sometimes.
Right. And they even say they might do a test delivery first, just to make sure everything's working smoothly, which is good attention to detail.
Definitely shows they care about delivering the perks properly.
Uh-huh.
And one more thing, the visual side, custom badges.
Oh, yeah. Members get custom bird-themed badges next to their username in the comments section.
A nice little touch.
Yeah.
Lets people see who's supporting the channel directly.
Exactly. It fosters that sense of community, makes members visible.
So for you listening, if you're a fan of Worldwide Birds, this is basically a new way to show support.
And in return, you get access to things you wouldn't otherwise see: early videos, that Premiere magazine, maybe even a shout-out or an ad spot.
Right, depending on the tier you choose. Level 3 even has that personalized video possibility.
Ultimately, it's about deciding what kind of extra stuff appeals to you. Is it the exclusive content, the community features, or maybe those higher-level promotional opportunities?
So wrapping up, Worldwide Birds has launched memberships. 3 tiers, lots of different benefits.
Yeah, ranging from community perks like badges to exclusive media like photos and videos, the PDF ebooks, the new Premiere magazine.
Those unique level 2 and 3 perks like ads and personalized videos.
It's clearly about strengthening that bond with the audience and giving dedicated fans more value and creating a sustainable model for the channel too.
So maybe something for you to think about. If you could get exclusive content from a channel like this, what specifically would be most exciting or valuable to you? Considering that might help you figure out if exploring these new memberships is something you'd want to do.